hardcore game right here.
Yeah, that looks pretty.
Yeah.
She sounded so serious about it too. Yeah, Louis video. I'm so bored. I don't know what to do.
Maybe you should go to class.
I know.
And you wouldn't be bored. Ew, why are you putting it in the brownie? Would you like the last bite?
Hey, white girl.
I dropped it on the table.
Why do I play with one finger?
You just retarded.
It's a lot easier with music if you actually go to a beat.
When I grow up, I want to be famous.
You want to be a movie?
I want to be... I forgot the word. I have a microphone in my car.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's from KV. It's pink and yellow.
Does it work with your speakers?
No.
Wow.
It's one of the toy ones.
Oh my god, that's such a good idea, Byron.
Yeah. Oh my god, that
I
black
want
guy
that for
looking at me.
Christmas.
Oh, God.
Did you
Why'd
hear
you
that
look
one of
at
Jen's
him?
friends got into a car accident when she was... Jen's friends from work. She got into a car accident when she was...
Woo!
Who's the man?
Who's the man?
Yes.
I'm the
I'm
man.
the man.
See what you do?
Huh? I can't say it
Want to
again.
be famous? I want to be in movies.
I'll be you. Alright, let's be out.
No, let him play me.
Oh, okay.
Be on TV, be in magazines.
Shut up. Yo, see, I'm crashing already.
What?
You're gonna put on hard? I don't